Hello YouTube, welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Rio Skaters. My name is your host Tommy Kanyam. In today's video, what I would like to talk to you guys a little bit about, in this video, I don't know how I'm gonna put it because honestly I'm just feeling really excited about today. I'm looking forward on going to the Excel Center today. Plus, also the Excel Center has been really good lately, which I've been feeling really excited about. Plus, also the Excel Center has been having like different arrays of different stuff. Like 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 they are going to be having a Spirit Week coming up, which I feel really excited next week. They're also going to be having a trick or treat spectacular on this weekend, which I probably won't go to because I ain't a big trick-or-treater anymore because I'm getting grown up for that. Plus also there is like so much more like different stuff, like the different stuff that people can listen to like in a single minute. Now you guys know that I got this Rio. And this Rio is like one of the bestest Baofangs that I have ever got. Because right now I'm currently listening to an LTR system, which I think this LTR system gives out a 10 out of 10 on everything that they do. So also you guys have like so many like different Rio stuff, which I think is really interesting. Like whenever you guys go on vacations, and this is a thing that I think about every time I go on a vacation. All right, the thing that I think about is like, is that place going to allow radio frequencies? Is that place going to use radio frequencies whenever I get down there? So that's my main question. So if they don't do that, what is their, it's like, what is their deal on like the radio frequencies? Like you guys can listen to like trucks and stuff, which I think that's really cool on their end. Like I'm about ready to do an example. So let's just say I'm going to Florida, okay? In Florida, we all know Florida has a lot of radio frequencies there because they are a big town. So then after that, I'm going to like Brevard County. And we all know Brevard County has several different radio scanner feeds that they use, which I think is really kind of interesting. So the thing that honestly is really interesting on their end, which I think would be a really big help. So, also, you guys go do like lots and lots and lots of thinking, like around the different Rio fields, which I think is really kind of interesting on their end. So my question is for you guys, and this is honestly thinking about me and thinking about the different people that listens to Rio Scanners and starting to listen to them, like the stuff, that I listen to, which is really kind of great on their end, which I think really is kind of interesting. So let's just say you guys are going to like a brand new area. Like I just said, you guys are going to Florida. Now tonight I'm going to be doing a trick on my radio scanner that I like to use. So I'm going to be listening to the different radio scanner technology and a different radio scanner stuff that they have in their different places, which I think is really kind of interesting. Now we know that B-Town has like 4 different radio fields. They have restaurants, they have like a couple stores, like most of their stores are like in our big mall. And we all got malls in our different areas, which I think is really kind of interesting. So you guys just heard that. They're spraying down the highways. Well, you guys all know what that's going to mean in a couple of months. Like in a couple of hours, maybe. Plus, I also think they also got like a frost warning going on right now. Which we all know that last night they had like a really good radio frequency. They had really good radio fields. They also had way more better different areas, which I think is really kind of interesting. So the thing that I recommend that you guys go do is that if you guys are like all in on this, it's like listen to your local bus frequencies and like listen to your local transmissions. Because sometimes your local transmissions give out some of the bestest signals, which I think is really good. Now, sometimes our colleges give out the bestest radio signals that I think. Now, our colleges give out like a 10 out of 10 on that scale. Because honestly, back then, like whenever I was a kid, they didn't got like pants like these, like that over there. Now the pants that I was wearing was like mostly like back then I was wearing like whatever was allowed at my school corporation, which was the North Lawrence Community Schools. Which, don't worry, I still like the North Lawrence Community Schools. But come on, people. Without the area of like going to like the Fayetteville Elementary, and that means you guys got a long drive to even drive, which I think is really kind of silly. So also what I think what you guys need to do is it's like if you guys are ever in the Bedford area, do this trick. Just talk to the different areas. All right, you guys. My other stuff that I recommend you guys go and check out. It's like the different Rio Skinner feeds and like different Rio Skinner stuff. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell if you guys haven't already did. And goodbye.